Hi everyone. Today our agenda is why the browser is useful and what browser understands, and what are the syntaxes and what is mean by bug and debug. Today we are going to discuss about all these things. So to run any code or to run any programming language in a editor, we need a browser, right? So here how to install the browser. So few people may bought a new laptop. For example, if a person bought a new laptop, they may get a inbuilt browser, like it may be Internet Explorer, or it may be Google Chrome, or it may be Firefox. To install the browser, we need to get into the Google Chrome and search here Chrome download. Okay, you just go and download it here by the clicking on the first link. Here you will get the download Chrome button. Please click on that and go to the downloads option. Here you can get the Chrome setup like this. So click on that, the installation will goes on. Okay. So next, so here in a browser, the main thing is the uniform resource locator. This is called URL, right? Uniform resource locator. This URL will retrieve all the information from the server. For example, if we type here www.amazon.in, it will gives all the website resources containing this phone, laptops, all these things from the server. Because this www.amazon.in, it is a kind of URL, right? So while you give the instruction to the computer that I need this amazon.in website from the server, it will gives you directly, right? This is the use of URL, and it is most important thing in our coming to uh, examples. We have many types of examples, like you can find out over on the browser, like Flipkart, Lenskart, Amazon, many are there. So I think very well. So different browsers are there in that. Google Chrome is a browser, Internet Explorer is also a browser, Mozilla Firefox is also a browser. In these three, very popular browser is Firefox and Google Chrome. You can you as your wish, you can use any of these things. Either it may be a Google Chrome or either it may be a Mozilla Firefox. So browser understands only few languages. Those are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I'll tell you about the HTML in the next video, how the HTML works, and what are the syntaxes of HTML, and designing the website. First, we are going to start our static website in the next video. So I'll tell you the differences between the static website and the dynamic website. So please listen carefully. And next, it is just only the fundamentals of the code. So here, what is a syntax? So many people will get the problem that what is a syntax? A syntax is nothing but it is a set of instructions. So that we are giving a set of instructions to the computer that we need these kind of things, or we need this design, or we need the response from you, that we are giving the instruction. That instruction is nothing but we'll call it as code. Instructions is nothing but code. What we are giving to the computer or we are giving to the editor, it will shows you the output. So that is called instructions to the computer. So that is called syntax. So here next, how the say HTML syntax will be. It is the example of HTML syntax where you will see on the left here. So head, body, and the heading, paragraph. These all terms will be discussed in the next video. Please stay tuned. And the next, CSS syntax. This is called the CSS syntax. How it will be. So here the color is green and text aligned will get into the center. So these things we are going to discuss in the next video. And coming to the bug and debug, what is the bug and debug? Bug, in many people will listen these things, right? So what is the bug and what is the debug? So here bug is nothing but finding out the error in the code. So means if any mistake you have did in your code by not putting a flower bracket or not putting a comma, that is called the bug. Without that the code cannot run, right? Because every perfect syntax is needed for the output of your code. So here debugging means destroying the bug, right? Debugging is nothing but destroying the bug. So while correction that error, we will call it as debug. Here example, I have the expected output. What is the output I need? I need the background color should be the green and the font color should be the black. But here the my output, I got I got only GSK tech, not I didn't got any background color. So this is called the bug. So we need to debug that by adding the any type of syntax errors in the CSS part. So that is called bug and debug. What we have learned today? We have learned today why browser needs and different what are the different browsers, how the syntax will be, and bug and debug. So thank you and thank you all. Please subscribe.